pass him like that?
Trying to channel me. Manchester. Blue the red light is empty.
Damn.
Clear.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. That's what turned me off about the motorcycles, bro. They like roller coasters. Bro. They got, what's that? The hydraulics. One of them. And you up out of there. It ain't no seatbelt. Can you put a seatbelt on a motorcycle? I guess it'd be dangerous because if you're flying, then the motorcycle gonna be attached to you. But yeah, bro, it ain't no seatbelt on there, nothing like that. That's one of my fears. That's what I don't like about it. Watch this. Watch how you hit that dip.
Manchester.
Swoom.
Red light is 17.
Man.
Straight. Clear.
Getting out of there, though.
You're on straight. That's it. Straight down. Come on, center drive. Full block down. Taking a little ride on Hilton. Still blacked out. Coming up at Country Club Road, Country Club Road. That's it, Springdale. That's Springdale.
Man, David's doing his job, bro. He doing his job. You should never be this close to a person on a bike, in my personal opinion. And y'all help me understand, because I don't get it. I don't understand. When you get away, when you snatch away, when you're a good 60 yards away, 50 yards away or something like that, why don't he turn off? Why do they never turn off? They don't turn off into a side street. They hit another side street, then go in the alley. And it's like you're trying to outrace them, like you're trying to outrun them. Like, is it a... I don't know. I never understand that. But shout out to Davis, bro. He doing his thing. He right there, cheek to seat. Cheek to seat. And went past him twice.
Trying to box me in. Taking a ride on 17th Street.
On the
Right behind a trooper. Blue in the red light.
Ain't that the dumbest shit? They the dumb. I don't understand them. I don't understand those, bro. Why they put them right there? You gotta go around the circle. Then to get out the circle, you gotta make a right. But to stay in the circle, you stay in the circle. But to get over in the left slide, like man, why is that even right there, bro? It look good. It looked good, and that's how you know that this is a nice neighborhood, bro. Nice community. Things like this should not be going on. It should not be going on here. Not here, bro. But I don't get it. It must be for the atmosphere, the ambiance or something, bro. I don't know, but mess my dog up, bro. He's still an A+ though. Still an A+. Back on. We back on. He over pursued it. He over pursued it. Bro, this got to be the dumbest shit in the world. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. I don't get why you not turned down this street and up and out of there, bro. You supposed to be turned down here and up and out of there. We'll never see you again. The straightaway, is it an ego thing? Is it ego? Oh my but I don't know, bro. But I don't get that. I do not understand. Somebody help me. Help me, please. I do not get that, bro.
Clear.
Man, how you? I don't know. I don't know.
Take a left on Howard Ave. Take a left on Howard Ave. Taking a left, 32nd Street. I'm sorry, taking a right.
See what he chasing right now. Another thing I want y'all to help me figure out, and y'all typing in the comment, why they didn't bring out the helicopter? Why they had a helicopter out, bro? Like, if he got away or if he shook him up for a minute, why they didn't just bring out the helicopter? Because I don't see him. I don't see bro no more. Shout out to Davis, bro. He did the best that he could, but hey.
Manchester Ave, he's got some distance on me. He's still northbound on Letters.
He did not catch up. He did not catch up.
Taking a ride on
Bro, he wanted to go to jail. He wanted to go to jail, bro. He taunting him or whatever you want to call it, bro. But you're not going to tell me he got away for 10 minutes. That was a good, solid 10 minutes, bro. He could have went, grabbed the nacho from 7-Eleven. Don't get the chili, bro. Don't leave that chili alone, bro. The chili will do you in. But go get some nachos from 7-Eleven. Go grab you a Gatorade out the back. You know what I mean, 15 on pump number 3. Get up out of there. He could have been home chilling. Watching the reaction, bro. You're not going to tell me that he caught him and he was gone for that long. Man, he could have been inside of this store right now. You could have been shopping for carpet. You could have been shopping for carpet or something like that, bro. You're not going to sit up here and tell me that. But I don't understand, bro. Like, I don't understand that. Like, why even play around like that? Why even play around like that? I mean, of course, for our safety, for the public safety, that's always number one. But number two, for your safety, bro. And it ain't like you driving a regular vehicle. You on a motorcycle, bro. Dangerous. Dangerous. There you go. That's how you end. That's how you end that. That's how you end that. Bro, over here cooking with on the bike, grilling.
That's where we were just at. My car behind him. My car's waking up a little bit. It's waking. Feeling it.
Are you still on Country Club?
It shouldn't be because it's a damn T intersection.
That's no Meadowview.
Yeah, that can't be mad. What the fuck happened?
Show me your hand! Get on
He
the
wanted to
ground!
go to
Get
jail, bro.
Go ahead.
He wanted to go to jail.
Why are you running, man? It's a state patrol bud, not CPD, okay? Manchester, we're 1095.
That was the weakest, bro. That was the weakest ending to a reaction. What are you doing? Somebody help him, bro. Somebody help him, bro. He couldn't get it, bro. Bro, look at you, man, bro. This is determined. Y'all know how in life, you know how in life, bro, you'll come across something and you so infatuated, you look like, oh, you gotta figure it out or you gotta know. This was him, bro. That's what this is. That's exactly what this is. He's like, damn, that bike hard. It got the little Batman logo right there and all of that. Had the spikes on the side. Let me check it out real quick. Let me check it out. Yeah. All right. Let me see if I can pick it up. He put his key. Look, he got 2 hands, bro. He was determined. Check him out. Yeah, flashlight. Gotta go.
I just leave it Why you running, man?
Paraphernalia in my bag. I've been arrested for weed before.
When's the last time you did it?
Hold on. Man. You never, ever. That's not his job. Well, it is his job, but that's not. He can't do nothing to help you. He can't do nothing to help you. You supposed to be talking to the judge about that. His job is to do what he doing right now. Slap them cuffs on you, get you in the back seat, put your seatbelt on, read you your rights, and take you to your next destination. All of this, I got this, I got that. Man, leave that alone. Don't slip up and say something that you shouldn't have said, and then, no.